Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Rakuten Marketing password. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Rakuten Marketing password, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Rakuten Marketing login page. Once you're there, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to proceed. You'll be directed to a page asking for your email address. Enter the email associated with your Rakuten Marketing account. After entering your email, click the Submit button. Check your inbox for an email from Rakuten Marketing. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it to review the instructions. You'll find a link to create a new password. Click on that link to be taken to the password reset page. On the new page, enter your desired password. Make sure your password meets the required criteria, usually including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you've filled out both fields, click the button to save your changes. Your password will now be reset. You should see a confirmation message indicating the change was successful. Now, return to the Rakuten Marketing login page. Enter your email and your new password to access your account. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Rakuten Marketing password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.